This highly portable oil-free pancake-style air compressor packs a punch with an induction motor that provides improved performance and extended life, whether you're filling tires or firing a nailer. Complete with a soft start motor, the C2002-WK can easily run off of normal household circuits and is able to run at 3.5 SCFM for faster recharge of its 6-gallon tank. The motor features replaceable brushes in order to extend motor life and 150 PSI max pressure to allow for extended runtime. It also includes 120 PSI cut-in pressure that provides 30 PSI, bonus air, and a high-flow air regulator to protect against a large pressure drop. The C2002-WK includes a 13-piece accessory kit with a 25-foot nylon hose, blowgun and attachments, tire chuck, tire gauge, quick coupler, plugs. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. PORTER Plus Cable Pancake Compressor is constructed with a pancake-style tank for optimal stability, water drain valve, rubber feet, and a 150 psi. The higher pressure design provides longer air tool performance and features a 2.6 SCFM at 90 psi, allowing for a quick recovery time. Includes an oil-free pump for no maintenance, low AMP 120 volts motor easily starting in cold weather or with an extension cord, upgraded shroud with hand and console cover protect vital components. Made for easy transporting and contains cord wrap with a 6-gallon capacity. The product includes a 1-year limited warranty on compressor components and a 13-piece accessory kit. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Constructed with a pancake-style tank for optimal stability. Number 2. Provides longer air tool performance. Number 3. Product dimensions: 18.3 x 18 by 19 inches. Number 4. Includes 13-piece accessory kit. Contains a 6-gallon capacity. Number 5. 150 psi max tank pressure stores more air in the tank for longer tool run times. Number 6. 2.6 SCFM at 90 psi allows for quick compressor recovery time, per ISO 1217. Number 7. Air coupler and plug are factories installed on the air hose to save user labor and to prevent leaks. Number 8. 6-gallon pancake-style tank for stability includes water drain valve and rubber feet. Number 9. A low amp 120 volt motor starts easily in cold weather or with an extension cord. Number 10. Equipped with a durable oil-free pump for long life and no maintenance. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.